Spring is in the air and spring cleaning is on the to-do list. For most people, it means cleaning out closets and garages and tossing or donating what you no longer need. But decluttering the fridge is the key to boosting overall wellness. A recent study reveals that people are 3 times more likely to reach for healthier foods if they are organized and visible in the fridge. And the one ingredient you should absolutely keep at eye level: Eggland's Best Eggs. They provide more than double the omega-3s of ordinary eggs, which provide an energy source to keep your heart, lungs, blood vessels, and immune system working the way they should. Eggland's Best Eggs also contain 6 times more vitamin D, which play an important role in regulating mood and boosting overall mental health. This garden frittata made with Eggland's Best Eggs packs all that nutrition into one quick, easy, and delicious meal. It's a real crowd pleaser any time of the day. And as March is National Nutrition Month, Eggland's Best is teaming up with the Home Edit to give your fridge a clean sweep for spring. Up for grabs in the EB Better Family Fridge Makeover Sweepstakes is a variety of prizes to help you create a fridgescape that promotes well-being. The ultimate grand prize includes $4,500 towards a brand new family fridge, a virtual consultation with organizational pros at the Home Edit, a year's supply of Eggland's Best Eggs, and much more. You have until April 15th to enter at ebfamilysweeps.com.